I have a Peugeot Boxer 2019 model. I'm going to program the all key lost by Lonsdor, and I'm going to make this key. As you can see, this key is there is no program it. Okay, and I'm going to make it all key lost. So when we are going to start the programming, we should make first dealer key and request pin code. So first I'm making the dealer key. The same key I'm making to dealer key this. Okay. Switch ignition on. Okay. This is the chip 7936 key chip. Put the key into the slot. This slot and continue. Yes, it is success. The generate them now dealer key. Now I'm going to program it. And of course it's need the pin code, but I already read the pin code. Okay, note the working keys used in programming is doing this. Must be dealer key. Okay, just put OK. Insert the key to be programmed and switch ignition on. Now you can see there is a light is there still. Switch ignition on. The pin code is already there. Pin code is because I read by the device, so it's take automatically pin code. Okay, so read this properly. The key is not verified. Dealer key. Continue to program. Continue. Insert the key to program. Switch ignition on. I am already on the switch ignition. It is not dealer key. Continue to program. Yes. Key program is complete, and I don't have any more keys, so I put them. Okay, and it is completed. Now you can see the immobilizer light is gone. There is a before light is gone. Now you can try to start the car. It is successfully working. Okay, car is starting, everything is fine. So this is a Peugeot 2019 model, all key lost and successfully done program by the Lonsdor.